is Anais.
And I'm Jamie.
And today we're going to find out if temperature affects the glow of a glow stick.
Stay tuned.
Yes, stay tuned.
Yeah. These are the materials we need. 4 glow sticks. Well, apparently they're supposed to turn red.
The same color and brand and size. 2 cups of water.
A measuring cup.
And each of the cups need to have 3 cups of water in
And
them.
also we have a pot to boil.
We have also a thermometer, a freezer, and a stove.
Well, here we go. So this is what's going to be happening. We have 4 glow sticks. 1 for boiling, 1 for freezing, 1's going to stay at room temperature.
And one's going to stay the same.
That's so we can compare the way it glows. So we're going to boil 1 cup of water, we're going to freeze 1 cup of water, and leave 1 cup of water at room temperature. All for 5 minutes. And then afterwards, we are going to dip the glow sticks in the water for 5 minutes and see how it affects them. And that's why we have the 4th one, to see how much it affects them. And we also have the thermometer so we can
measure the temperature of the water.
Yeah.
Our independent variable is the temperature of the water because it changes and it doesn't rely on anything. The dependent variable is if the glow sticks glow bright or not because that can be measured and it does rely on something, the temperature of the water. Our constants are the brand, size, and color of the glow sticks, the amount of water we put in each container, which is 3 cups, and the amount of time we put the glow sticks in the water, which will be 5 minutes, and the amount of time that we put the water on the stove or in the freezer, and that will be also 5 minutes.
We're going to boil the water and freeze the cup of water.
So let me just turn on the stove, and I have my stopwatch ready. Okay, I'm gonna
Fire.
start my stopwatch, and she's going to put the water in the freezer over here.
And we also have the thermometer in the room temperature water to make sure it does not change.
Yes.
And well, I guess we'll see you in 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes.
So we're going to
Let's see how
turn
they've been doing.
this off,
Pretty
We're gonna-
cold.
get our water.
And we'll take the pot off of the stove. I know we said that we're going to use an oven mitt, but we're rebels.
Yeah.
Alright, now let's get the thermometer. Will this melt? If we put this in boiled water,
No.
will this melt?
Now we're going to test our cold water.
I guess we will leave it in there for about 5 minutes and see you there.
Okay.
Now we have our boiled water.
And our freezing water. And we're going to put our boiling water back in our cup.
Okay, and let's
Be
see.
careful with this step.
You have to burn yourself. You know, we could have just. Give me the ball.
Yeah, you should
Hold it. Move your hands. Jeez, you wimp.
Jamie.
And there's the boiled water. And now we're going to crack the glow sticks. There we go. I don't think these are turning red yet, anais. How do you feel? And we also still have our room temperature.
Oh, they are turning.
Oh, they're purple.
Oh, they're purple.
That is beautiful.
Just crack those.
This
glow
one will
sticks.
not. Oh, here we go.
They're like bluish purple.
This is, whoa.
Just crack all your glow sticks.
And I'm pretty sure the temperature won't change for all of the water because, well, it's really cold and hot, so. This one won't. This is harder than we thought. We're not wimps, guys.
This one won't crack. I think there's something wrong.
Well, either way, while I try and break this one, because Anais is such a wimp, she is going to. She is going to go ahead and put the glow sticks in the water.
Yes. And then we will start our stopwatch. Yep, so.
Alright, this one is not breaking, so, well, I guess Anais isn't a wimp after all. It has been 5 minutes, and our hypothesis was correctly terrible. So
We have turned off the lights, and it's actually that the boiling water is glowing the brightest.
let's just go ahead and take them out and come put them next together.
This is the room temperature.
And this is
The cold water. These are like the same. And this is the boiling
so
water.
our hypothesis was that the cold water would be brighter because cold air sinks. So all of it would come back together. So that's why we thought it was going to be brighter. And the
And
void
then
water,
warm air spreads out, so it would seem dimmer, and the room temperature would stay the same.
but obviously we are very dumb, and we don't know how science works. So look at this beauty. It is very hot. It is very hot. Don't try this at home, kids. We are all kids.
Thank you for watching, and have a great day and a great life.